Hi everyone, so I get this request a lot and these questions a lot. How do I make the best, juiciest, most flavorful burger? A lot of ways of how to make burgers, but this is my go-to. First of all, I start off with a certain type of meat. I actually use brisket. Obviously some people use different combinations of beef and pork and everything, but I like brisket, and I'll tell you why in a little bit. I use ground brisket. I take cilantro. I'll take a little bit of parsley and a little bit of onions and a little bit of green peppers. I chop it all up and I make these patties. I also use the Rack Grill's Ben's Heifer Dust. A really cool seasoning. As you guys know, big fan of Rack. They make the best smokers and pellet grills out there. But they also make amazing seasoning. Different varieties. I've used them all sorts of different stuff. But this Heifer Dust, had a little bit. Not to overpower, but just enough to give it, a nice coating on both sides, obviously. These yummy briskets. And I also, I cut up a red onion that I'll use for our meal. We got these flavorful red onions that I'll smoke as well. And how do I cook the actual meat? Well, I'm going to actually cook it slow on the Rectech RT700 bull, about 200, maybe 210 degrees. It'll probably take about an hour to cook these nice, thick, yummy burger patties. And the reason I do that is I like to use a slow cooking method on these because of the brisket. It can absorb that. It's usually a tougher meat. And it's more flavorful with all the fat and everything. So a slow cook like that will actually render that fat really nice, make the meat real juicy, and absorb a lot of that yummy smoke, that nice clear smoke that we get from that bull. So we'll do it slow, and then we'll sear it on these Arteflame grill pots. You can use obviously a cast iron if you want, or I've used the sear kit, but I really like these. You guys should get these. They're personalized, like individual burger pots. You can actually do a lot of things. We'll do a lot of things with these. What I like about this is it'll get super hot, easy to clean. I don't need a whole big tray or a big surface area because I'm just doing 2 burgers, one for myself, one for my son. Mia, unfortunately, is traveling, so she's going to be really jealous. I promise I'll make her these burgers when she comes back. So this is the 2 of us. We don't need to make a big mess. I like these. Get these. I season them very well with that buzzy wax that I showed you before. We'll use this. We'll cook it really hot at the end. Just sear it on both sides with the cheese and everything else. So stay tuned. Burger time. So we're gonna start cooking these burgers that we have right here. We have the bull ready. So those are gonna cook for about an hour or so at a 200-degree temperature. Nice and slow, almost like a reverse sear on the burgers. So we got the burgers smoking here. This one to the side right here. Nice heat. Let's crack an egg. Fry that over here as well. We got some bacon that we're going to add. Let it smoking and getting crisp as well. We got a beautiful sunset going on here in Chicago. Fortunately, you know, the good thing, beautiful day. Getting darker sooner though. So let's go take a look let's take a look at the burgers we've been cooking. So we got the Rectech bowl right here. And look at that. We got some smoked onions, egg, beautiful burgers cooking, and some bacon. We're gonna assemble that. So we got the burgers cooking on the Arteflame burger pucks that will then cover with the egg and onions and bacon.